So, hello everyone, it's me again, Pauline from My Crafting Hut. Um, Coming on here again to show this concept that I'm working on. I have not done any blankets yet, and I do have a couple. So, I thought I'd go ahead and get one of them done today. So, come along with me as I do this. So, the blanket is it's blue blanket. And I have already, hold on. What I did was I'm using this container from Dollar Tree. And what I did was I have two small boxes in here and I covered them with brown paper. And then I filled in the space around the boxes. So let's see how this turns out. I hope that as you watch this clip that you would like and subscribe. And as always, I thank you for watching. So this is the blanket that I have. It's I got this from Ollie's a couple of months ago. And I'm going to leave this on here. I know it's brown, but I'm going to leave it on there. It shows the size of the blanket. And who knows, I might decide to take it off once I look at it, once I put it together. But let's see. Come along with me. Let's see how this turns out. Okay. So I have that blanket and I'm deciding whether I should use this cup or this cup. I'm thinking maybe this cup. And I'll put here, have the shampoo. I know this is not blue, but I'm going to put this in here. That is the body wash. Actually, let's put this on this side because I am going to put this flower in here. I got this from Michael's, their $10 box a couple of months back. So let's put this in here. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, let's take that off. Okay, so far I like it. Okay. Let's see. Go ahead and put some tissue paper in there. I have a candle that we'll put right there. Press a little tighter. Candle right there. I'm going to bring all of that up just a little bit high. Okay, let's try that. Then we'll put the bottle there. We have the body wash. We have tissue paper, facial tissue. I have the candle, shampoo, and this is the hand soap. It's the hand soap. Thinking that I might add this in there, back scratcher. So yeah, so that is my concept for this basket. Let's see, turn it all around here. I have this cord back here to help support the blanket. And there we go. Let's put some thread in there. I do have some thread. Let's see which one. Let's go ahead and put some thread in here. But before, oh yeah, let's do that. And then let's put the thread in, and then I'll take everything together to hold everything in place. Because I'm not going to change anything because I don't have too much anything blue. I'm working with what I have here. So let's see. So this is tissue paper that I threaded. Giving credit to all of my crafters, basket makers, because they saved me a lot of money having to buy tissue paper or having to buy thread. What I do is I just go ahead and thread up some of my tissue paper. It makes a difference in the pricing of these things. So let's go ahead and take that so that it will stay. Let's see, where is my face? So let's see what we do. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this, keep it from falling, or maybe even better, maybe I'll use a little glue dot. Let's see. That way, no. Yeah, okay. And let's put a little glue on this here. Keep that from leaning. Do a little glue dot. Guess I'm going to use more glue dot than tape on this right here. So, see. Just want to keep it from leaning too much. Let's see. We'll glue that on the edge here. I think we will go ahead Place that right there. Keep that. Okay. I think you can see. I don't. You can't see anything in there, but a little blue. Think a little bit in there. Let's put a little bit on this side. I think I am out of that paper here. Have to make some more. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is hmm, so this is my concept for this basket. The blanket, the tumbler or water bottle, body wash, hand soap, shampoo, candle, facial tissue, and some flowers. And that is it. So tell me what you think about this right here. I'll go ahead and wrap this later on. So I just thought that I'll come on and share this with you because I really don't do a lot of them, but this is my first one that I've actually even done this size. All of my baskets have been smaller baskets. So I'm getting now to getting more comfortable and I'm getting more supplies where I can now go ahead and start making some of these bigger ones. So to me, it's a big basket compared to what I have made so far. So tell me what you think, everyone. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please give me your feedback because I need all the help I can get here. Um, I'm still new to all of this, so I'm working a little bit at a time, trying to get things to where I would like it to be. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until the next video, y'all continue to have a good day.